Hey guys, welcome to today's video. The other day I installed a couple LJ8900 LiftMasters on this door here and on the smaller door over there. Pretty sweet installation, works really well with the door. We had a broken spring at the time of the install. I got the springs ordered that we needed, and you can see I put some spring blocks, got him all clamped up, so that way this door would work in the meantime. We got 2-inch springs up there. When he ordered them, he got them upcycled. So we're gonna put some 2 5/8, some big dogs up there, and get her all set and tested, and we'll call this one done. It's working good though. Let me run the small one for you. Oh yeah, there it is. He had some 10-foot Chamberlain openers in here, trolleys. So now he's got a nice open space up here. I'm gonna get the spring change going and call it a weekend. Yeah, right here is what I mean when I say I'm blocking the spring up. This is just like for temporary use only, not really for high cycles. It's gonna get you up and rolling, but your ups and downs are kind of numbered. Yeah, got him up and rolling. That's how that works. Go the extra mile. I didn't have to do this. Yeah, I wanted to show you all that. Look how deep that is. And that's from tightening up the set screw. Way too tight. That's a big no-no. What can happen is it cracks the tube right there. There's no cracks or anything I can see, but yeah, that's not good. If you blow right through that, you know it's gonna crack all the way around. There's a lot of tension on those springs. Seen the torsion tube busted off right there at that point where those at. This is just a lesson. Do not tighten them that tight. So right there is what that spring converts to, 2 5/8. 273, 43 inches long. And then this guy here, and the 2-inch spring, not the original spring, is, what is that, 49.5. Yeah, 49.5-inch long, 273, 2-inch diameter. 273, 2 5/8 spring at 43. That's what that converts to.
Smashed the shit out of my finger.
Yeah, so if you choose the side mount and you have regular headroom, and if you have a normal headroom door situation, it's really wise to put on the spring bumps. Spring loaded, so when the door is in the fully open position, it's smashing this spring in. So that way when you go to close it, constant pressure pushing down. That way it keeps those cables nice and taut, and that cable tension monitor won't give you any headaches, because they will if you don't put these on. Maybe not, but 9 times out of 10, yeah, here's how this works. Boom, pushes it down. Yeah, and you put it on both sides. Run it down. Boom. All right, all done. Close her down. Big door. Get out of here. And this is a Wayne Dalton door. That's it, guys. Hey, thanks for following me on this one. If you got anything out of it, please comment down below, hit that like button, and most importantly, subscribe. Isn't that right, Albert?